All right, so while Caden's under the front of the car doing the driver's side brakes, I'm gonna fix an issue inside. His turn signal stalk is really loose, right? It's a turn signal one, right, Caden?
Yep.
Yeah, so that thing's really loose and it tends to stay on. So we're gonna replace those. Super simple. Let me show you. Again, this is a 2002 Galant. I'm gonna replace both the turn signal and the wiper stalk. Both sides. So let me get in the car, I'll show you. All right, so on this 2002 Mitsubishi Galant, we're gonna be replacing, I'm trying to do this while holding the light and the camera, but I'm gonna replace both the windshield wiper stalk and the turn signal one over on the other side. These things are super simple to replace. So you gotta take 3 screws out. There's one basically right here above the ignition and 2 more right up underneath. They're on either side of the lever that you loosen to adjust the tilt of the steering wheel. So I'm gonna take those 3 screws out and then I'll show you how to replace the stalk. All right, so there you can see, once I got the screws out, the trim comes out pretty easy. The top piece is right there. And the bottom one just kind of pull it down. Sorry, move the light. Pull it down, and that gives you access to the stalks. So to remove the stalk is really simple. It's gonna be kind of hard to show in here. It's a little dark. But right up on top here, I'm trying to work around my shitty light situation here. There's a clip right here that needs to get pushed down. So it just pushes down and it comes loose. And there's another one on the bottom. I'm not gonna really be able to show you too well, but it's right here. Again, pop that in. There goes the wheel. And the whole stalk pulls out. So here, maybe I can show you better. Here are the clips. So there's one right there, another one on the bottom, right there. Sorry for the bad light, guys, I know. But these 2 clips, basically you just push the clips in and the whole thing slides right out. Now we can just slide in the new one. And it's the same thing on the other side for the turn signal stalk. And then we just put it all back together. And there we go, the trim back on. This job is done. So yeah, replacing both the turn signal and the windshield wiper headlight stalk, pretty simple. It's just those 2 clips. The whole thing slides out as a unit. This is basically what they look like. It's just got an electrical connection on one side. And this thing just slides into place. Super simple. 3 screws to remove the steering wheel trim. Pop the lever to bring the steering wheel down. That gives you some more access. And then pop those clips and it's all done. Super simple. Appreciate you for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell. See you on the next one.